Hey, if you've ever sat at a roulette table thinking, there has to be a smarter way to play this, then today's video is definitely for you. Let's talk about something that's been creating a lot of buzz lately, the test meter. Now, imagine this for a second. Instead of placing bets and hoping you're making the right decision, you could actually test different strategies first and see how they perform before risking a single dollar. That's exactly what the test meter is designed to do. At its core, the test meter is a feature built into advanced roulette software that analyzes both historical and real-time spin data. What it does is track how different betting strategies are performing under current table conditions. So whether you like betting on red or black, dozens, columns, or even more advanced combinations, you get a clear view of what's working best right now. And here's where it gets really interesting. The test meter doesn't just throw random numbers at you, it shows hit percentages across multiple bet types. That means you can quickly identify which strategies are performing stronger in your current session and which ones you might want to avoid. Think about how powerful that is. Instead of guessing, instead of chasing losses, instead of relying purely on luck, you're making decisions based on actual data. Another big advantage is the ability to test everything in real time. You don't need to commit your bankroll to see if a strategy works. The test meter lets you observe performance first, giving you a level of control that most players simply don't have. And for those of you who like to learn and improve, this feature goes even further. With session history tracking, you can go back and review your previous games. You can see which strategies performed well, which didn't, and start identifying patterns in your own gameplay. Over time, this helps you refine your approach and become more consistent. On top of that, the flexibility is a huge plus. You're not locked into one system or method. The software supports multiple strategies, so you can experiment, adjust, and find what fits your style best. Whether you're a beginner who prefers simple bets or someone more experienced looking to fine-tune complex setups, the test meter adapts to you. Now, let's keep things honest for a moment. Roulette is still a game of chance, and no tool can guarantee wins every time. But what tools like the test meter can do is help you approach the game in a more structured and informed way. And sometimes, that shift in approach can make a big difference in how you experience the game overall. Instead of playing emotionally, you're playing strategically. Instead of reacting, you're analyzing. And that alone can change everything. So if you're someone who enjoys roulette but wants to feel more in control, more confident, and more data-driven in your decisions, then the test meter is definitely something worth exploring. Take your time, test it out, see how it fits your style, and most importantly, use it as a way to play smarter, not riskier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.